morning people, this is Vinku. Welcome to my channel VJ Rider. So today we are heading out on a ride to Hulkoti. It is somewhere before Gadag, and I'm not riding alone today. It is with the team BRC, the Belgaum Riders Club. It's almost 7:30 and the meeting time was 7:45. So yes, today we have got an invitation from the RTE Society Rural Engineering College, Hulkoti, and they have conducted an auto expo which they want us to attend and make it a grand success. We have reached Kamath Upchar just before Dharwad, and we'll be having our breakfast here. Look at this guy.
Hi. Hi.
So, किती वेळ झालं?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Okay. So basically he's fiddling with his new cam. He's got the new SJ cam. SJ cam? Which
7 star.
7 star. I think this is the latest one, right? Nice. अभी जाएंगे अंदर, भूख लगा है बहुत. हाँ? चूहे दौड़ रहे हैं, चूहे नाच रहे हैं अभी अंदर.
कुछ भी नहीं खाया.
Hi, Benji. Yourself? Hello. Akshay. Hi, Benji. Hi. Hi, Manoj. Hi, Akshay. Have you been to Belgaum, your Hubli. उसको गाड़ी देखने का था, इसको बताया. Hello, thank you. So you're the one who are contacting? Yeah. Oh, all right. Stand over there. Okay, fine.
bikes parked. Here's the lovely crowd of this college. You can see the number of bikes here.
The apocalypse.
This is manufactured in India, actually assembled in India, but it comes as a CKD, knockdown units. The units come from Japan or Thailand.
The world as we know it will no longer be there. Mother is gone. A new era has begun. Prepare yourself for the apocalypse.
Okay people, so we are here in Vishal's car. So these people are Varun, sorry Varun, and he's taking us for a lunch nearby here. Behind is Hari. Meet Suraj, my nephew, and his friend. What's your name? Virupaksh. Yeah, it's almost like 1:47 now, and we should be finishing our lunch in the next like 20-25 minutes, and then we'll start to Belgaum again. People have seen Suraj first time in my vlog, and you must have seen his big elder brother Bharat in my Chennai vlogs. So okay, we are here at the hotel.
Just pull it over here.
The world as we know it will no longer be there. Mother is gone. A new era has begun. Prepare yourself.
Just finished our lunch, and now we're all geared up and ready to start. So we're just heading to Gadag for a big photo shoot at the big statue over there. There's a big statue. I don't know what statue is that, but we'll take a few pics and then probably start riding back again. It is neutral? Yeah, it's neutral. We will directly ride then, because I think it's gonna rain. Akshay, we'll directly make it to Hubli, we'll not go to Gadag. Because it's going to rain, we'll have to escape as fast as possible. Better. Take a picture here and let's leave. Yeah, fine.
The apocalypse.
Thank you for everything. Thank you for inviting us. It was a pleasure meeting you all. Thank you so much. No problem. See you then. Thanks. Yeah, thanks. No problem. It was a pleasure meeting you all. So
because we are extremely exhausted and it's scorching heat here.
धूप है ना इधर.
अरे बैठो यार इधर फटाफट एक नींबू सोडा पी के निकल. आइसक्रीम नहीं चाहिए, सिर्फ थोड़ा नींबू सोडा चाहिए. जूस नहीं यार, नींबू सोडा
नहीं.
फ्रेश लाइम सोडा नहीं है. Sadly they don't have any fresh lime soda, so we'll have just water and go to some other cold drink house. अजीब लोग है यार, जूस सेंटर है और फ्रेश लाइम सोडा नहीं है उसके पास.
Alright, so moving on, we'll have to search for another cold drink house. The temperatures are around like 39 as of now, and that too it's almost 4 o'clock. Oh my god, I can't imagine what it should be like at 2 o'clock or 1:30. Okay, fine. You want join us for a cold drink, something?
No, it's late. Then I have to go.
Okay. So we are very thirsty actually. कुछ तो पीने का है हमको.
नारियल पानी है ना?
हाँ?
नारियल पानी है ना? ठंडा चाहिए. नारियल पानी भी गर्म हो गया रहेगा. इतना गर्म नहीं.
This ice cube launched for us just to have some cool drink. Look at me. I'm all sweated, fully wet. Actually, everyone are exhausted, totally exhausted. Feeling better in AC?
No words. We'll have a sleep now.
I can't believe it is like 39 degrees here. 39. Parag. Look at Parag. Look at him.
लिटरली पानी में भीग चुका हूँ.
Okay.
The heat is scorching. Forests burned up. The sky colors red. Volcanoes erupt.
Alright people, I've reached Belgaum and all other bikers are way behind me. I think it's a beautiful here now. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure you are subscribed to my channel because there's a lot more content coming on. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक ज़रूर दबाना and give me a subscribe because I'm going to come up with a lot of more videos और बहुत से ज़्यादा वीडियोस आएंगे. That's it for this video. Do right safe, wear all the gears all the time. Take care, keep smiling, be happy, and I'll see you in the next ride. Bye bye. Let's make a move. See you guys on the next ride. Bye bye. Bye. Chalo.